Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got this box I got as a gift. So this Hot Wheels box is just full of like kind of random cars. So I got this as a gift. I just got it. Someone just gave it to me, you know. So we're just gonna take a look at the box. We're not gonna open anything, but okay. Wow, we got a lot of stuff in here. So let's take a look. So first cars we got the 2016 Cadillac Ats Vr. It's in a nice red color from the Hot Wheels Turbo series. Pretty cool. Nice red color. Oh. Next car we got is the Corvette C8 R. It's from the Hot Wheels race day. It's a sixth car in the set. Pretty cool. Nice gray color on it. So yeah, put it down. Next car we got is the Subaru WRX STI from Hot Wheels hatchbacks. Pretty cool. Fourth car in the set. I like this car. It's got a kind of like nice black color, some nice lines on it. Purple and pink lines. Pretty cool. So yeah, next cars we got. Take a look. Next we got the Barbie Extra Car. Pretty cool. It's from the Toon series. I've actually seen this car before, but I never got it. Pretty cool. Put them right there. Next car we got is the classic TV series Batmobile. I don't know, because I remember, guys, I bought one of these. I remember I bought one of these, I think, a long time ago. But at least I got two now. So pretty cool car. Classic. Next we got the Subaru Sambaroo or whatever it's called. Matchbox. Pretty cool. I like it. It's pretty small. Next cars we got. We got Volkswagen. Okay, we got a tuned Volkswagen Golf MK1 from the Toon series. Pretty cool. 1 out of 5. Nice red color on it. Tuned car. Next car we got is the 1985 Honda City Turbo 2 from Hot Wheels Turbo. Pretty cool. The second car in the series. Nice blue color. Nice white rims. There. Next we got the Mighty K in a pink color from Hot Wheels Metro. It is the first car in the set. Pretty cool. I really like it. Pink Mighty K. I don't have that car yet. Ooh. Next we got we got the McLaren F1 factory fresh. Yo, I've been wanting to get this thing. What? Look at that. Pretty cool. And next we got also the 1987 Ford Carrera Coaster S or something. Pretty cool. Nice kind of bluish. Pretty cool recolor. Like it. And oh my god, guys. We got the 2020 Corvette. Like the C8. Corvette C8, bro. This thing looks fire. Nice like blue color from factory fresh. Nice chrome wheels. Ooh, that looks nice. I swear. Next cars we got. Okay, not bad. We got Volkswagen Beetle from Compact Kings. Number 2 from the series. Pretty cool green Beetle. Not bad. Put them here. Next we got just 1969 Chevy Pickup. Not too special. Pretty cool, kind of weird reddish, blockish kind of car. Pretty cool. From Hot Wheels Art Cars. Next we got the Mazda Repu from Hot Wheels Trucks. Series is number 2 in the set. Pretty cool green color, nice white rims. Pretty cool. It's a nice casting. I like it. Oh, okay, not bad. Next cars we got is a 1976 Greenwood Corvette from Hot Wheels Condor. We got the first car in the set. Nice green color, green rims. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Next car we got is nothing really too special, but the 1971 Dodge Charger from Hot Wheels Art Cars. It is the 5th car in the series. Pretty cool. Nice. It's got kind of like a bluish, kind of grayish on it. A little bit orange too. Next car we got, I really like that. This is a 1970 Chevelle SS Wagon from Hot Wheels Wagons. And it's the first car in the set. Nice blue color. It kind of reminds you of the 55 Chevy. There's like a red one, the blue recolor of it. So next cars we got. Oh wow. Okay. First we got the Ford Focus RS in this nice orange color, black rims. They got from Hot Wheels hatchbacks. Third car in the series. I like this, kind of strip on it top. Pretty cool. Pretty cool car. Oh my god. Yo, we also got 2 of them. I decided because I got 2 of them, so we decided to put one up. And also, so we got the Nissan Nesmo, bro. This thing is sick. We finally got it though. Look at that. It's got some nice yellow color from factory fresh. 5th car in the series. Nesmo Z prototype. Nice gold rims. Pretty cool. Oh. Yo, we got the Koenigsegg Gemera, like from like Hot Wheels Turbo or something. It's like got a nice gray color. Look at the interior of that thing. That is just like super cool. Wow. That is just like, wow. Next car we got. We got some Matchbox. Oh, we got the my mouth is getting kind of dry. We got the 2021 Ford Bronco. Matchbox car, pretty cool. It says Bronco on it. Oh, I need some water. Oh my god. Ugh. My mouth is starting to get dry, guys, so. Alright. Because, you know, I'm starting to get a little bit dry because my throat, like. So, my throat kind of got dry because I kept on saying the names of these cars. So, anyways, let's continue. Next one we got is the 1936 Ford Coupe Matchbox. Pretty cool, black color. It looks pretty cool, huh? Nice black color, nice chrome rims. Next, we got the 2019 Fiat 500 Turbo. I like this car. It looks pretty cool. And I think, yeah, I have another one of these. I got the red version. We got two of these. So I got this one a long time ago. So we just put it on top of here. Yeah, nice Fiat 500. Nice blue color. I like it, chrome. Next car we got. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, let's go. We got the 55 Bel Air Gasser from like the Chevy Bel Air series. This is like the second car in the series. Bro, look at that. The Chevy Bel Air in a nice like purple color. If you didn't know, guys, purple is my favorite color. But anyways, look at that. It's got some like cool like kind of pinkish windows. Pretty cool. Nice. Next, we got the 57th Chevy from the Chevy Bel Air series. The third car in the series. We got, here is the second car. This is number 2, and this is number 3. Number 3. So we got two of these. We got two Bel Airs. Ooh, next we got the 2005 Ford Mustang spoiler from Hot Wheels spoiler alert, like, you know, series, like third car in the series. So it's a pretty cool car. It's got kind of this kind of checkered look on top of it, and this gray color, yellow rims, kind of ring here. And also, if you take a look at the back, we can take a look at this. The thing moves in the front. Take a look at that. Pretty cool. You see the front of the car moves up and down. So yeah, put them right there. Next car we got. Oh, yo, this thing is sick. We got the Alfa Romeo 8C company's like concept, I think. Yeah, factory fresh, the 7th car, bro. Look at this Alfa Romeo, bro. Look at that. It's got like this nice like pearly ruby red with some nice chrome on it. This thing looks amazing. I was trying to look for this thing too. Holy, that just looks really cool. Next we got, we got the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class in a nice yellow recolor from Hot Wheels hatchback, second car in the series. I do like it. It's pretty cool. It's got like kind of a black strip going down the car. Nice kind of rings around the wheels. Pretty cool. Next, we got the Volvo 850 Estimate. Bro, this car, if you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, I have a Volvo collection because Volvos are just really nice car. My dad owns a Volvo, plus I just like collecting Volvos. It's pretty cool. It's just a funny little kind of car block. It got a nice green color. It is from like Ryu Rides or something from Hot Wheels Wagon series. Second car in the series. Pretty cool. Nice green color. Yeah. Oh, yo, no. Guys, look at that. We got the Fast and Furious 1970 Dodge Charger. Look at that from Fast and Furious, guys. I love this, bro. Look at the red color on the rims. Nice Hemi. It says right there, Hemi. Got the tires on top of it. It just looks like a monster truck, like a beast. And if we take a look at the back, the wheels can move up and down, so it's kind of like springs with springs in it. That's pretty cool. Nice. So let's take one more look. Pretty cool. Next, we got the custom 1970 Honda N600 from Hot Wheels Compact Kings. Nice, you know, kind of white color. I do have kind of I do have a beige color of this and also a green one of this. But yeah, I got the white one now. Pretty cool. It's a nice pearl white. Fourth car in the series. Next car, we got the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. This car's got a very nice kind of reddish color. It is also from Hot Wheels Trucks series. It also is the first car in the series. If you take a look at the back, pretty cool. It's a red car. That's a red vehicle. That's like very shiny. I swear, that is like a very shiny red. And then after the last cars we got, guys, is nothing. I'm just joking, guys. So next we got the Porsche 935, and a nice kind of from Retro Racers. It's got this nice blue color, some nice strips going down it, gold rims, pretty classy. I really like that. It's the 8th car in the series of Retro Racers, pretty cool. It also says Goodyear on top of it, pretty cool. We're not gonna show too much of that, or like we might get a copyright strike like Goodyear. Oh, this is cool. We got the TV series Batmobile. Look at that. It's like the bigger one, and look at that. Where'd it go? I swear, guys, we had some. Hold up. Oh, never mind. I swear I saw something here. It was, I don't know. Oh, yeah, guys. It was this. We got this one. Look at that. See, look, we got the big one and we got the tiny one. We got 2 of them, bro. That's cool. Look at that. We got the big one and the tiny one. So let's just put these like here, because these 2 are like kind of the same car. So next, oh yo, this thing looks sick. Okay, I've been looking for this car for a while. It is the Volkswagen Beetle Racer from Hot Wheels Condoras. It's the 5th car in the series, the last car. It's got a pretty cool kind of pearl red, nice kind of orange rims, pretty shiny. You got this cool this thing at the back of it. Nice white things on the top. It's going through the car. Golden underbelly. Pretty cool car. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. Nothing left. We got a hat though, but I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. You know, consider checking out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. I play Roblox on the channel, but if you want to just stick to here, that's fine with me. So, you know, you can just like watch me. So every weekend we post videos. So if you want to see my videos, then come every weekend then. So yeah, bye. Have a good day. Bye. Get out.